This is Shaili, and this is from AI Economics, and this is a celebratory video because I want to celebrate the fact that I have got my first 50 subscribers. I know that sounds small when you think about people with millions, but for me, starting from 5 subscribers to 50 is also a big journey. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my journey. Okay, so why this YouTube channel? I'm a professor of artificial intelligence and I teach artificial intelligence concepts to management students. One of the things that I noticed was that when you look at online YouTube type of content, there is actually very little content in terms of videos which is geared towards business management students or even other non-technical folk in general. Mostly you get tutorials, you get coding exercises, you get very deep down kind of things. So I thought that it's really important to communicate out. So one of the reasons for starting this channel was just to be able to explain these really important concepts in a simple way and reach a lot of people. So why daily posts? That's an important thing. I actually started off my YouTube channel, and to be perfectly honest, I did think that I would make the occasional video or maybe once a month. However, I realized once I started making videos that my initial videos tended to be a little bookish because obviously I'm a professor, so they tended to sound like a lecture, whereas the objective of this exercise was basically to make these concepts accessible to ordinary people in simple everyday language. And I realized I wasn't there. So to practice, I needed to do a lot more practice. Secondly, this is a hard realization for people, but when you see yourselves on video, you realize many things are not right. So again, getting those things right required much more frequent posting than just once in a way. I initially started with a video every 2-3 days, and then I actually ramped up my speed to one a day. I mean, maybe not a full video, a short or something, but I was doing one a day. Another reason for almost daily posting is frankly the YouTube algorithm. There's no point in posting videos if they're not going to get to be seen. The YouTube algorithm is like a little animal or a puppy which needs to be fed with very regular videos, and it takes, if you're going to post only occasionally, it is really not going to surface your videos, no matter how interesting or how many people are interested in your content. So that was another reason I realized that if I'm posting content, it's important that people see it, and for people to see it requires that the videos are fairly frequent. They don't need to be daily, but I did it daily initially just to break all the mental barriers and sort of get going. Another thing which I started doing was shorts. Shorts is basically 1 minute long, and I realized that this is a format which people are willing to experiment with a lot more than long form videos. People don't really want to invest 20 minutes unless they really know that they're getting value. However, for 1 minute short, they will click on it and then they will get to know about your channel. So I realized that shorts were a good way of introducing people to my channel, and so I started doing shorts. Now shorts are not that easy to do. It requires in some ways they are much more technically demanding. It requires you have a very clear idea of what you're going to say, how much you have to say, and you got to finish in a minute. My first few shots were rather strange because I took multiple takes, tried to pack in too much content, and I started looking like a very angry person who was just trying to finish a particular take. But over time, hopefully, so what have I learned from this journey? I think there's some very important learnings that one has had just because maybe I posted every day or tried to do almost every day. And the first learning was, how to be more engaging. YouTube is absolutely ruthless. If people find your video boring, they're just not going to click on it. And that doesn't matter if you're a great professor or you're just that little teenager who's making a video about some makeup. You have to learn to be engaging. So that was a rather humbling realization which I also had, and I initially just actually went back and rewatched videos which I used to think are interesting to see what were they doing right to try and improve myself. So that was one thing. You have to learn by A, doing, and B, by observing. So I think that was an important realization. I don't think my style is going to ever become like those, really jumpy people, peppy people. But obviously one is trying to find one's. So I think initially when I started out, especially in my shorts, I was definitely very strange. And I talked without a pause or a comma or a full stop. I have definitely started trying to improve my delivery. So I think it is a process, but I had to learn a lot of skills, and as would anybody who wants to do YouTube videos. You actually need to know about how to take videos, shoot videos. You need to have an idea about angles, you need to have an idea about edits, etc. Initially I obviously watched a lot of tutorials and it got very confusing, so rather than that I figured out some interesting hacks which was simple to get me started. I started using the Microsoft PowerPoint record facility, which I found very convenient, and especially for slightly academic. So, and in terms of editing, I actually just either use the YouTube editor, or if I shoot from my Samsung S23, which is my camera phone, then I just use the S23 editor. They're quite decent, and however, I mean, I am obviously trying to upgrade my skills. I am now continuing my journey of learning by trying to use OBS Studio, which is quite a major software which integrates where you can shoot multiple scenes. So I'm really thrilled to be celebrating this 50 subscribers, out of which about 5 or 6 are definitely my family and friends. However, the rest are all people who have actually listened to my video, and I'm really truly grateful to these people, because they're listening to my content, and I really want to hear from them, and I really want to also thank YouTube for helping my videos to come to the in terms of future initiatives. I have a lot of plans for this channel, and I really hope to ramp up the content. I think we are just at the beginning of the AI journey, and it's now increasingly broad basing itself out to people, so it's important to understand the economic and business and in general social impact of AI. I'm going to be doing far more of long form videos, because that's something I've been doing less of, and also I'm going to be using more more advanced editing as part of my journey. Thank you all of you for for the support that you've given me to my channel, and please do continue to do so. Please do subscribe to my channel AI Economics and hit the bell icon to be notified for new videos, which, as I upload daily.